First things first, let's cut it open. All right, here we go. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the iRobot Braava Jet M6, specifically the M6012. I did receive the sample directly from iRobot, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Take a look at that retail box and packaging. Everything looks great. Now let's go ahead, let's have some fun and open it up. Looking for a secure and reliable way to access the internet? Look no further than ExpressVPN. Protect your personal information and browsing history from prying eyes. Act now and sign up for ExpressVPN today using our link in the description and receive an extra 3 months of service for free. First things first, let's cut it open. All right, here we go. Love seeing what's inside. Oh, we already have the top popping open for us. Hey! All right, so let's take our unit out right here. Looks like we have our little clip we're gonna have to put back in place. Looks like it snuck out of there. Oh, she's beautiful. We'll come back to this in just a minute. All right, next you'll see we have some plastic, followed by our charging base. That's in 2 pieces here. Our product literature, safety information. We have our owner's guide and manual. So very detailed and thorough, walking us through everything we need to know about our new Braava Jet Mop. Let's go. Warranty information. You'll see right here it does come with a 1-year warranty. And then lastly, in this box, you'll see we have our power cord and cable. We also have our mop pad. Look at that. That looks great. And we should have some solution right here. 4 ounces of our Braava Jet cleaning agent. Love to see it there with the ingredients on the back in case you're wondering what is in this bottle. All right, so here's everything out. We got our product literature, our mop pad, our cleaning solution, power cord. We have our charging base right here with iRobot's logo and branding, charging indicator light, charging contacts, 2 pieces, easy to disassemble. We have an integrated cable management system here to route the cable to the left or to the right and plug and wind up any extra right there. Love that design. And then lastly, our main unit, the star of the show here, camera sensor up top, iRobot's logo and branding, beautiful black and goldish color scheme here. Open that up to reveal our tank right here. So let's go ahead, let's look at that tank up close. Nice handle. Go ahead, you can easily refill as needed and then just close it as such. Here's a look at the inside of the unit without the tank. When you're ready to install it, it just slides right in like so. Press down and you're all set and ready to go. You'll see at the very front, we're gonna have our solution sprayer and a navigational bumper here. Take a look at that give on the side. iRobot Braava Jet branding there. Sensor on the back side. Here's a look at the other side. And then we can flip it upside down. You'll see our 2 drive wheels here. This is where we're going to attach the mop pad, charging contacts, additional product information. On the mop pad, you'll see right here, line up the arrow with the arrow. So it just slides right in place. And now you're all set and ready to go. Lastly, just for fun, I thought I'd show you a side-by-side of all 3 different models together here with the 2-tone color schemes. You can just pick and choose whatever one you like best.